Good morning, truckers and truckettes. This is Regina, and I just bought this Dash ceramic electric skillet griddle, if you want, and we're gonna unbox it and check to see that it actually works. Keep in mind that the electrical outlets in front of me and to my right do not work. So I just have one electric outlet at the corner on my right hand side, and it has power. Okay, so we're unboxing the box. That box looks good, but I have no information on what I'm looking for. Is the information on the voltage and the watts of this electric skillet. These are because I'm going to be using it in my truck with my inverter to cook my meals from time to time permitting, of course. So hope you enjoy this unboxing and let me know what you think. And please remember to support my channel by buying me a coffee. I will have more on my Patreon account as time permits later on. The box is nice. Dash D ceramic. It's kind of a little bigger, as you'll see once I get it out of the box. It's a bit too big, but it works. They did not have a smaller one, so I didn't buy the smaller one. And I was kind of worried about spending money on ceramic electric griddle. But I'll jump ahead and I'll give you a spoiler. It really works. I like it. I like the way it heats. And I like the fact that it's easy to use and clean. Okay, we got it slightly out the box. Finish popping it out. Put it over the top. Yep, drop the electric cord, and I guess that's a cookbook, or I don't know what that is. That red pamphlet. I haven't opened it as of yet. Good looking. That's the electric outlet, as you can see. Voltage is, that's what you want to deal with. Inverter. And you want to make sure your truck is running so it doesn't drain the batteries. Put that to the side. Come back, finish the unboxing. I'm pretty happy with this. I really like it. I'm just hoping that my inverter will not drain the batteries when I'm using this electric skillet. More foam. Taking the plastic off. Hope you enjoy your early mornings or late afternoons. Moving the box out of the way. I'm at the terminal for all you truckers that are interested. Cooking on the road, OTR or dedicated or regional trucking. You may want to consider an electric skillet or not. It all depends on your needs. It's stuck on the. It's very short, close to the ground, or close to the table. There we go. Got it off. Getting it off. Little drainage hole there. Bottom line, I'm very happy with it. The bottom, I'm going to look at the heat distribution. And that's the important information right there.
Finally, the important information about this whole system.
Closer look at the information, how much power it uses.
Okay, all we gotta do is plug it in and see if it works.
I was so disappointed with Black & Decker, and I'm so disappointed with the Road Pro, whatever that off-brand is. Their junk always breaks down, but Black & Decker showed that they all do.
Gotta disconnect this thing. I've got to unwire this thing. Okay, let's plug this in with the
off position.
The electric connection.
I have my doubts, but let's hope.
When I plug it into this wall, again, this outlet, unbeknownst to me, has no power, which created some friction here because of the fact that I've got no power. So I didn't know what to think. Make sure your electric outlets have power.
Pops into place, snaps into place. Just put some heat on it. Going to 3. Huh. Doesn't give me the degrees or the temperature though. Just says 3. And I don't see a light. So it's probably not. Huh. Maybe, is it a timing thing?
I'm checking it to make sure that it is actually connected correctly. And I'm thinking that the outlet has no power. And it doesn't. Alright, so I have to move this entire setup over to the microwave area and use the outlet that the microwave is plugged in. It has 2 connections. Take this tape off. Show you the grease catching tray. There it is. Very easy to pull in and pull out. Up, right back in. No problem. I'm very happy with this.
There's no power there.
Give you heads up. I recommend this for anybody that is a trucker and needs to eat from time to time, and it beats petrols, it beats the Blind J, it beats the TA, it beats the Pilot.
We do have power. It works.
Yeah, outlet.
It does work. But this is the only outlet
you can enjoy a really well cooked meal.
This outlet has no power.
Delight and your style of eating.
And neither do these other
one
2.
at a time. My
But
peeps.
this one does. So that works. I'm
for
shocked.
now.
Let's try one more other one. And it heats up right away.
Part 2.
So this looks like a good deal. So let me check one more thing.
Tasted great.